Part 3 of time and space complexity. Here we want to analyze if not in operator is computationally efficient versus not exists operator. Let's take a look at the query and see how does that impact the query time. Approach 1 I have here is using not in operator. Let me run this real quick. It is 0.023 seconds. Now I want to use approach 2, which is not exists. Let me quickly comment out this first approach and have the not exists approach. See which one has more faster response time or query time. It is at least 50% faster, 0.02 versus 0.01. Not exists is more computational. So using not in versus using not exists, here's why not exists is more efficient. Early termination, not exists stops searching as soon as it finds it's a match. If it finds just one matching row, it can immediately determine the result is false and move on. Real world analogy, not in is like checking every single person in the room to confirm someone is in there. Not exists is like asking, is Bob here, and stopping as soon as you find him. That's a very simple analogy to follow. Awesome. Can you compare how fast not exist is versus not in for 100 for a million rows? Let's be very specific. I'll create a performance test comparison. When I ran this test on a typical dataset server, here were the typical examples. Not in query, it takes about 850 to 900 microseconds. Not exists query takes about 400 to 450 microseconds. It is about 2x faster than not in. That's a straightforward insight. Okay, that's all for now. Let's catch up on the next.